Hi everybody, welcome to our English class with me, Miss Feli. How are you today? I hope all of you are to be fine, right? As your literacy for today, this is I choose one sentence that related to our material for today. The sentence is your future is determined by what you start today. In Indonesia, masa depan Anda ditentukan oleh hal yang Anda mulai hari ini. So this literacy for today is very related to our material today because today we will talk about hobby. We believe that all of us have different hobby. I have myself hobby and all of you have different to each other with your hobby. So we will continue our material about hobby for our next part. Are you ready? Here I have a picture that will describe hobbies or the word that related to the hobby. For the first is watching TV, means menonton televisi, and then playing chess, bermain catur, collecting coin, mengkoleksi koin, playing card, bermain kartu, skating, itu skating atau ski, playing computer games, itu memainkan game komputer. Kemudian next, drawing means mewarnai, playing guitar, main gitar, painting, melukis, listening to music, mendengarkan musik, reading, membaca, writing letter, menulis surat, or if you want to set your hobby is writing novel, for example, that's mean menulis novel, or only writing poems misalnya, itu menulis puisi. And then playing football, bermain bola kaki. If you have a hobby as bermain volleyball, bermain volley, you can say playing volleyball. That is some kinds of the word that related to hobbies. So after we learn about any kind of word that related to the hobbies, now I want to ask you, what is your hobby? In this part, I have two kind of sentence or examples of hobby. For example, number one, hobi saya adalah menari. In English is my hobby is dancing. So if you want to say hobi ibu saya adalah berenang, we can say my mom's hobby is swimming. Hobi ibu saya adalah berenang. Now, let's see the picture. This is May, and May does her hobby here. So I have the question. What is May hobby? You can choose. Her hobby is blah blah blah. What is May hobby? Dancing, cooking, swimming, or singing? Can you choose one? Yeah, her hobby is singing. You are right. This is the structure of sentence that related to the hobby, between question and the answer. This is the structure for question. What is your hobby? What is her hobby? What is his hobby? Jadi misalnya kalau subjeknya itu your, kamu, atau kalian, her dia perempuan, his dia laki-laki. Jadi susunan kalimatnya itu what is your hobby? Apakah hobi kamu? What is her hobby? Apakah hobinya? What is his hobby? Apakah hobinya untuk yang laki-laki ya, untuk yang his? Ataupun lihat yang di bawahnya untuk question, what are their hobbies? Jadi hobinya itu ditambah es ujungnya. Kemudian isnya tadi diganti are. Jadi what are their hobby? Apakah hobi mereka? Jadi seperti itu. Dan jika mau menjawabnya dari pertanyaan what is your hobby? Apa hobi kamu? Kalian bisa melihat yang bagian answer, bagian jawaban. My hobby is hiking. Hobi saya adalah mendaki gunung. Jadi seperti itu. Jika misalnya pertanyaannya what is her hobby, apa hobinya dia perempuan? Her hobby is swimming misalnya. Hobinya adalah berenang, misalnya seperti itu. What is his hobby? Apakah hobinya dia laki-laki? Misalnya kalian mau menyebutkan hobinya itu bernyanyi, berarti his hobby is singing. Atau what are their hobbies? Apa hobi mereka? Kalian mau bilang hobinya itu misalnya memancing. Berarti jawabannya adalah their hobbies are fishing. Jadi untuk yang berubah itu hanya ada di kata hobinya. Jika subjeknya your, her, his, berarti hobinya tanpa es di belakangnya. Tetapi andai kata menggunakan kata their, mereka, berarti belakangnya itu ditambah es. Kemudian juga untuk kata untuk yang subjeknya tunggal seperti your, kecuali untuk kalian ya tetap pakai is. Her, his itu to be-nya pakai is. Jadi what is. Kemudian kalau misalnya subjeknya itu their, mereka berarti dia menggunakan to be are karena itu lebih dari satu. Jadi what are their hobbies, jadi seperti itu. Jangan terbalik. Okay, next, look at for the next example for the question. What is your hobby? What are your hobbies? Maksudnya di sini artinya itu kalau kalian. Jadi my hobby is playing guitar. Hobi saya adalah memainkan gitar. Atau jawabnya tidak melulu harus pakai hobi. Bisa juga menggunakan yang pilihan yang kedua. I like playing guitar. Jadi saya suka bermain gitar. Sama artinya dengan di atas. Hobi saya bermain gitar. Dengan pertanyaan yang sama, kita bisa mempunyai dua jawaban. Tinggal you can choose which one do you like. Jadi boleh kalian pilih yang mana yang kalian suka. For your exercise now, tidak perlu dicatat, cukup kalian jawab langsung. What are their hobbies? Kira-kira apa nih hobi mereka? Their hobby is blah blah blah. I give you time to answer it. According to your opinion, what is their hobbies? Their hobby is, their hobby is singing. You are right. So in the next question, what is Anas hobby? Jadi namanya Anas ya, Kak Anas. What is Anas hobby? Her hobby is blah blah blah. Her hobby is cooking. You're right. Now for the next picture, what is David hobby? Answer this question. His hobby is playing blah blah blah. What is David hobby? You're right. His hobby is playing football. Here I have four question for today. As your exercise, you can write down to your notebook and then answer it. Jadi kalian silahkan tulis di buku, boleh buku latihannya, kemudian pilih jawabannya. Ini ada 4 pertanyaan, pertanyaan 1 sampai 4. Selanjutnya jika sudah selesai boleh dikumpulkan di atas meja ibu. Okay, that is all for our material about hobby for today. Thank you for joining our English class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.